flags up high in the air, we all understand.
Hear the drums, hear the call. We don't back down at all.
When the whistle cuts through, we rise up with you. One cup.
Welcome to the match. Fans seem like they are really looking forward to the game. Let's have a look at the line. The match has begun. Knocks it towards to the front. Nice one. Needs some improvement on shot accuracy. Firing from the corner. Carrying the ball forward. It's in! Plenty of power on that! Score! There goes the ball. That was an amazing save! Looking for options. Beautiful footwork. Opening quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. And off the top of the crossbar. Trying to find the target man. Losing possession. Pushing it forward. Knocks it towards to the front. Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. A millimetre would have made a difference. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. Pressure forced the error. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Nice clean through. Again. What brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. Fails to keep the ball. What a chance! Just to keep it to beat! Goal! There goes the ball. That's goalkeeping masterclass. Seeking out a passing lane. Losing possession. Heavy shot. Chances on. Long pass. Get the ball out of the way. Goal! Again! Fails to keep the ball. Strikes it in the box. What an amazing save! The keeper just saved the team. Play it long. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. Put pressure on the player and the ball's gone out. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Square pass. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Great opportunity for a great player, but not a great finish. Long pass. Poor decision making. Foul, that's an obvious foul. And that the first half comes to an end. Second half has commenced. Dispossessed. Heavy shot. Another goal! A brilliant brace, lifting the whole team's spirits. There goes the ball. Denied by the keeper. Impressive. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Pinpoint pass. It's in! Plenty of power on that. Sensational stop from the keeper. Beautiful long pass. A great save. Real class. Oh, good save. Again. Losing possession. Knocks it to the front. It's a real challenge for the keeper. Well, it might still work out for them. Long pass. Goal!
मैं कौन सा राज पापा सरफराज खान की
There goes the ball. That was an amazing save. Fails to keep the ball. Will they find the net? Crashing against the bar. Building from the back. Losing possession. Well-timed tackle. Pushing it forward. Into open space. Clear sight of goal. Again. Good defence. Knocks it to the front. Losing possession. That's a definite foul. It looks like a final warning from the referee, but still no card. Golden opportunity. Taking a chance there. It's worth a try anyway. Play short to the back. Good play, one-on-one. Losing possession. An effective clearance. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Fails to keep the ball. Square pass. And the ball is in the net. Crowd would have gone crazy, and quite rightly, so what a finish that is! There goes the ball. What brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. Good play, one-on-one. The referee says that is all for today.